and what up, y'all? It's your boy Monty, back again for another 5-minute cigar review for you. That's right. Today I'm doing the Undercrown Dogma. Undercrown Dogma. And I'm going to tell you right off, this bad boy gets a head shake, a head nod. Yes, it does. Gets the head nod. It's a good cigar. We got Mexican San Andreas wrapper around a Connecticut Habano binder with a Nicaraguan Brazilian Fina filler. A lot of tobaccos in there. Makes for a very good flavor. Okay. Start off by telling you it's got a very good build, nice, decent burn on it, good draw, not too hard, not too soft. Got some good smoke. I like the Undercrowns, and Undercrown has not disappointed me with the Dogma. It's a good smoke, y'all. Did a little reading on it, and it says it has some chocolate and some coffee in there, and I can tell you from the get-go, I can taste and smell the chocolate and the coffee mixed. There's that bitterness from the coffee and that distinct chocolate flavor. I was going to do a review on this before, and I got distracted. Started the review, had to stop it, didn't finish it, so now I'm doing it now. I told you before, I usually try to do these in one take. Whatever you get, what you see is what you get. All the mistakes, all the flubs, everything, that's what you get. But that day, again, I got distracted, had to go do something, so I couldn't finish it. So this is actually a second take, which is very rare for me. Excuse me. And probably best that I waited, because originally I was struggling with some of the flavor on this. It's like I couldn't really distinguish what flavors were there. But this is my probably third time smoking it since I was going to do that original review. And I can tell you without a doubt, I'm tasting that chocolate and that coffee. Now, there's some Nicaraguan tobacco in there, so you know what that means. There's some pepper. And it's got a nice little peppery kick to it, kind of an after kick. You're initially hit with I say I because, as I've said before, not everybody tastes the same thing. And so when you watch these reviews and people tell you, sorry about that little shifting of the hand on the camera there. When you watch these reviews and people tell you, well, there's this, and there's this, and there's this, and you might smoke it and be like, I don't taste none of that shit. I know I do that often. So I'm telling you, I distinctly tasted some coffee and some chocolate in there. And then there's that after kick of a little bit of pepper, some sort of spice, and it's good. It's a very good balance, very good, what's the word I'm trying to think of? Complexity. Many cigars, they rely on, one or two flavors. This one gets you with a few, and I like it. The wrapper had that nice little oiliness to it. Been sitting in the humidor for a while, and it felt good, nice and silky smooth, you know what I mean? So far, it's a very enjoyable smoke. Now, this is one of the first reviews that I've done where I've smoked the cigars more than once before I did the review. A lot of these reviews I've been doing are from cigars that I got from the Cigar Fest, as I've mentioned over and over again. And so it's the first time I've smoked it. This is one of the few reviews I've done so far that I've smoked more than once, and I've had a chance to really learn the cigar. And I'm glad I've done it this way. Now, there'll be other cigars I do that way, but I like also doing that first initial smoke and kind of learning it right then and there with you guys. I will be doing other cigars that I've smoked over and over again. I'll be doing some of my favorite cigars. But today, the Dogma is a cigar I've had a few times, and I've liked it each and every time. Each and every time, it's almost like I taste a little bit more. Like the first time, I couldn't really taste that coffee or that chocolate. But this by now I've gotten those flavors in it, and they really stand out. It's almost like now it's like, how did I not taste that the first time? As I am usually doing or often doing, I'm driving, and today it's a rainy day in Denver. Rainy day in Denver, and the weather's changing, it's getting cold, so I'm going to enjoy this hot smoke while I drive home. Y'all have a good day. You will see me again soon. Peace.